When you need to edit hundreds of Ultimate member forms, you have to open the forms one by one, and this is a time-consuming process. That's why in this video, we'll show you how to bulk edit Ultimate member forms using an intuitive spreadsheet inside WordPress. This spreadsheet allows you to view and manage all your Ultimate member forms at once. You can search for your forms using any field as a search parameter. You can also bulk edit all the manually selected forms or the search results. This allows you to save a lot of time. Besides, you can export and import forms to migrate them to another site or apply massive updates with a few clicks. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written tutorial. WP Sheet Editor contains a tool that allows you to do advanced searches using any field as a search parameter. For example, we can enter a specific word in this field to find all the forms that contain this word in the title. As you see, the forms containing the selected keyword have been filtered and displayed on the spreadsheet. You can also search for Ultimate member forms by date. Just open the search tool and enable the advanced search filters. You can select a date range to filter your forms. Just select the initial and final dates here. Now you need to run the search, and you'll see all the forms created on the date range displayed on the spreadsheet. You can filter the Ultimate member forms by form type using the WP Sheet Editor plugin. Just open the search tool and enable the advanced filters. Now select Ultimate Member Mode field. Choose the equal operator. And now enter the form type you want to search for. For example, let's search for all the registration forms by entering the word register in this field. Finally, run the search to filter all registration forms, and they will be displayed on the spreadsheet. Besides the advanced searches, WP Sheet Editor contains a powerful bulk editor that allows you to apply massive changes to your Ultimate member forms with a few clicks. For example, you can remove all the filtered forms. A great way to delete all the filtered items is by using our automatic bulk deletion option by hovering over bulk edit and clicking the delete option. This option is great since you don't need to manually select the values to delete the selected forms. Just take into account the items will be removed completely. If you want to move them to the trash, open the bulk edit tool. Now select the status field, and the set value change type. Finally, select trash, and execute. You can also change the form type for all the filtered or manually selected forms. Just open the bulk edit tool and select which forms you'll edit. We'll edit the manually selected forms. Now select the Ultimate Member Mode field. Set value, and write the new type here. In this case, we can enter register to convert the selected forms into registration forms. Finally, execute the massive change. Now you can see that our selected forms were updated successfully. Editing hundreds of Ultimate member forms is easy with the WP Sheet Editor plugin. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, as well as the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have free live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.